Abusia mama wakwa ba na nso bio na me de waba Malope TV. Osoro chira baby a wo bia mechia mama wakwa ba wo a wo hwe me Agnes Apianom mo a mokeka ho Madam Felicia comment section mo a mokeka ho Mary Edu mo nyina Bob Santo comment section mo nyina mechia mo nyina meeting at the Malope wo hwe me live on Malope TV. Na eba na Ghana mfamodie Ghana nsensem Ghana asomdwe a eno ho ena mesin konwa na yedi ho nkomo na woni mu se Igbo nsensem ya na se Nigeria nsensem ya no eno nkomo a ana yedi me domi man enti ewo se me kasa ema me man na ene ye ba bedi nkomo kakra afa Mr. Chukwudi Jude ene Nigeria mfu ebinom ho enti mechi apapa na mamu akwa ba bia a wa odehwe me bia no aha Malope TV nyame nhira me yentwa ye ho sema embra na yenkotie ye buroni ne nwom no sekutu se December yetwa ye ho abasisi ya
sekutu December ye beji ani sibam sekutu December ye beji ani sibam afi burunye ye sekutu ye beji ani sibam afi burunye ye sekutu ye beji ani sibam to December, ye beji ani sibam. Say go to December, ye beji ani sibam. I feel brunya, ye say go to, ye beji ani sibam. I feel brunya, ye say go to, ye beji ani sibam.
Abusia welcome back biosa wanya brami ye twa ye ho akwakotie sekutu se December tutu se bronya abaya de papa iye kwasi broni akosia broni kura bonyum ama Ghana dia na kire se awusia mencha ho na yenko na yeni nkobo Nigeria ni bi nkoda bi a kire se wo modie se light of wa Nigeria fo nyanya wo ka mo bi wo makotwitwa cables a kire se ya dua wo papa ba yenhwa sa video no mara hihia na yeni ho komo.
This is one of the suspects. You see them. These are the suspects. You see them. With the bell wire. Go to vandalize people's house. Yeah. You see them. Go to vandalize people's house. See that wire.
Video no ni akwa hwe about just say yachi wom pa. By the way ene yeni nkomo we Nigerians, today I wanted to address this issue and I want to tell you this: you are African. Nigerians, you are Africans. So we can say, when we say, oh, all Africans must gather here, Nigerians is among. So, Ghanaians, we see you Nigerians as Africans. You are part of us. But listen, not Nigerians should think that Ghanaians hate them. No. If you are a Nigerian, come across the video, make address you, you will understand why Nigerians are facing problem. Now, let's say, when we mention kidnappers, your body is a kidnappers. Everybody will appoint Nigeria because it be them way they do so. It be some of the Nigerians, most of them, it be them way they do kidnappers. Cause kidnapping no a Nigeria no no. It be Nigeria where they brought kidnapping. The giant of Africa. They claim say they are the giant of Africa. Today, if you Nigerians listen to this my video and Nigeria will change because you are part of we Africans. So we need to teach you people what to do for your country to become successful. For the bad name to remove from you Nigerians. I am helping you today, me Malope. I am helping you to restore back Nigerian to get a good name. So just exercise patience and listen to this. When we say kidnapping or a country who they do kidnapping, they will mention Nigeria. When we say a country where they do Ashawe, it be Nigeria, because when you go to the SXS site, Pono site, it be Nigerian people where they do. When you come to Africa, I mean Africa, not the world. When you come to Africa, it be Nigerian where they do Ashawe, they do Pono than every country. I know they say it be Nigeria only. No, but they say when you go to the Pono side, the African country where they top, it be Nigeria. Because I visit the site, I check them before I talk. And then me person Nigeria for them me cause until me turn into broken English. So yeah, na me di twi ni kakra den after me kira say ne ubot so say uko agubone site no so ana say aguaman site ana Pono site no so Africa Nigeria for na active Pono pa. It be them, it be Nigerians where they act Pono. Kidnapping, it be Nigeria where they go mention. Okay, if you say robbing, it be Nigeria where they go mention. If you say Ologu or Shulu or whatever, Chrono, it be Nigeria where they go mention. All the crimes when you mention in Africa, they go point Nigeria. I remember, say when we were young, Ebra Yesusano. Now, it allegedly, the people, our grandfathers and mothers, they tell us when we are young, say, if you go to Nigeria and especially a tribe like Igbo, and when you claim you are sick, they go kill you, they go chew you. Listen, it alleged, because meaning call Nigeria that I've never been to Nigeria, and I've never seen it with my eyes, but we've been hearing. Say, adia wo ka zamuna say uni a that is how you say be because so no critical me hui into me nkura evidence into na make us allegedly and I can say it alleged say ye nananom crofo bi be ka say Nigeria omo wi nipa especially the tribe Igbos no wo wi nipa pa but say no na meaning say is still there or not. What you are saying na me be so how can Abua kura when nip abua even apart from jata or no church says in even jata on one jata one when that the person may say abua so on one in here on when da. So how come a human being kill his own human being and eat? They told us it be Nigeria where you go see and Crawfobia say abosum na afa wo mo se den. And they go walk on the street beating people. If you say Boko Haram, everybody go mention it be Nigeria where Boko Haram day. If you say Sakawa, I be say Sakawa be Nigerian in language. If you say Sakawa, they go point to Nigeria. If you say bad pastors, they go say Nigeria. If you say 419, they go say Nigeria. All crimes in Africa, they go point say in Nigeria. Okay, my Nigerian people, and now they may person may catch them and say, what I want to tell you, and say, you guys need to change. Have you sat down and question yourself why some countries, not even Africa, European countries, even today as I'm speaking, Libya is rejecting Nigeria. Every country is rejecting Nigeria. In the name of bad character, some of you, most of you, almost 99. If you go to Nigeria, maybe you go find somebody who is innocent, who doesn't like sin. But most of the Nigerians, almost 98% in Nigeria, all criminalities come from Nigeria. How somebody go use internet to fraud a white man outside the country? It be Nigeria where they brought that thing. When we say occult in Africa, it be Nigerian people where they introduce occult in a movie. Ghanaians now we don't know what is called occult. It be Nigerian movie where we watch out, we see say hey, something called occult where it be ritual things. Nigeria. Now today we go play ball. You know if you qualified. and you they call yourself giant. It seems like Nigerian cursed, the Lord Almighty has cursed that country, Nigeria. So anything they go do na basa basa na evil things. So my Nigerian people, this is the time you need to sit down. Go to your Nkoto and pray to God that may God forgive. You see, killings are going on in that country because the reason that they dressed Nigeria this morning that they are also a part of African, and I am African. So when something hit Nigeria, when Nigeria received bad name, the European people no go say Nigeria, they go say Africans. They go say Africans. So this is the reason why we they dress you Nigeria. Nigerian, you are part of African. So you need to change your character. Nigerian has been receiving bad names. How can Bosom be is on street beating people? Goss say he they beat some people. If I hear says they brought some people from Nigeria, that people to Ghana here. But if you try and you hit somebody, you Ghana for Bodamo. Let's go to Mr. Chukwudi issued. I don't think that idea where Mr. Chukwudi say he won't go build a kingdom, no. And you want to I think that a planner almost set here to Hodada. And you want to know about Ghana chaya business or Nim Ghana how the Ghana and Yansuno near Fanonyo. You know that idea, no dear. Even Chukwudi himself know that it's wrong. For you to go to somebody's land and say you are going to make your kingdom. That one, what the chaos that one, Mr. Chukwudi himself, no. Mr. Chukwudi, today make I ask you this question. Everybody send this video, make Mr. Chukwudi get him. Today, Malope, I want to ask him some question. You say in your video, if I may be corrected, you say, you come to Ghana 1990 something, 1995 or, yeah. You come making your business. You are there. Nobody, even me, I don't know you. Till this problem comes, say, you won't build your kingdom. Where can I say they no go agree? So, na one year almost will be making your kingdom be, what now your business are? Maybe in Kabet me or my program, yes, you. Here is the way you say you won't make your kingdom. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. What is the main agenda where you people want to come do that thing? And the you have also chieftaincies across our regions. That is what I heard. You have chieftaincies in Ashanti region, Takrade, whatever. So, what is the main plan? And this is the reason we Ghanaian youth has wake up. Because now we are afraid of you Nigerians. Not that we are afraid of you, say, you go feed. No, we are afraid of how criminal things they go on in Nigeria. We thought it go come here in Ghana if you don't wake up. I am not accusing you that it be you, Mr. Chukwudi, where they do that criminal thing. But it be so when we they hear, say Nigerians, when it comes to kidnapping, robbing, so with the fear say that thing where you say you won't build a crowd, where you say it's just a kingdom, no, some bad thing will go on. I mean, like this recently, now your matter comes, you know. Na Ghana, but you say taxi driver, national where you say national, you know you that thing we know they hear it again. So why? It means a yamona namo share chire anamo yasa na say. I mean Nigerians so and I may come and say we be Nigerian where they do that. It be a question where they ask. I can't remember Papa Yodi Kampamu Nigeria for every Ghanaian. Ghana president or Pamu Nigeria for V. A champion. Kutu a champion say yeah. Ya say na ewu woni akunkumakunkum bone koso wa Ghana. Na o se ne ye de hye ye nuanom ai befo esan say Now, that brand himself before when it comes to abosom ceremony idea, I before dear, Omonka someone is abosom ceremony, Omanage Hopa. Dway is not alleged, Omonim. Eti na almost to say, I before because abosom dear be a being here sacrificing near dear. Night before ye innocent. When a champion say, what trust him say no. Debbie. Also say Nigeria for no on pamu ano pamu Nigeria for. You see a pamu Nigeria for Saudi any to try. Share adofo Ghana yempa bone. Although we Ghanaian we can't say crime is not going on here. Oh yes. Bone koso ba Ghana say ye 100 almost nipa beye 5% and I say 4% in the dibone. Pa. Almost 4%. And Ghana so bonne no. E wudi any no so sa. E wudi akura ni Ghana. E wudi any Ghana. Makowi abode makowi akoko. Every country there is a robbing, but Ghana robbing is there so many this you seem crown robbing case. Cause Ghana yempa bonesa. Yempa bonesa. But only Nigeria. I don't know if they have opened a university school of crime. I don't know if they have opened a university school of crime in Nigeria. I don't know. Crime is too much for our brother Nigerians. Our Africans Nigerians. You are not our brother. Because we and you. And Bola Yakobo, Nigeria for failure. Emma Ghanaians are going to the World Cup. The people who they claim themselves they be giant of Africa. It seems like any move Nigeria will make now go be fail. It has been Nigeria country has become a failure country. Oma beye nkuku country because minim say one bone no and ehwie wo omosoa. Bibi o meye bia ibi Nigeria people where they say they supply Ghana light too. It not be so, it not be Nigeria where they say. But every day when you come to Ghana you go see light. So wow. Yes, a quarter cost of amount to match anything. If you say they provide Ghana light, but you don't have light. Every place in Nigeria where you go past generator. Why? Why Nigerians? Please, with the beg, change. I need, you see, to me, I don't hate anybody. I hate crime. Oh, let's say, oh, Nigeria people, they win the World Cup. Where they go World Cup, they go win the World Cup, they bring the World Cup to Nigeria. It will be glory for Africa. And Africa, if the Africa will go take the cup. It not be said we hate Nigerians. But we want you guys to change from your evil character. It be too much. It be too much. You see, the thing where they talk, if you think they are the lie, you for come out and say the lie. If the World Cup, Nigeria qualify and go to the World Cup and bring the cup and win the cup, the whole World Cup, and win the cup and bring them to Nigeria, they go say Africans have win the cup, they not go say it be Nigerians. So it go be glory for Africans. This the same thing when Nigerians they do crime, they go say Africans they do crime, but it's only Nigeria where they do crime too much. So they go say, oh, South Africans hate Nigeria. Ghanaians, they hate Nigeria. We don't hate Nigeria. We are all Africans. But we hate your evil accent, your evil character that we hate. It be your character that we hate. We don't hate you. Why can't we hate you? You have your country. We also have our country. But now, what they pain us, we Ghanaians say, you have your country. You don't stay there say you don't do it. Ah, masa, makwa brochire, echefo ma tu kwanya kwa brochire. Makwa ya juma ana makwa country bi. Whether Africa how, makwa country bi. Wabra me ya Ghana ni, na makwa kwa ya juma nya sika. Na project kasiya, mesi me be project. I will go to my country and do that project in my country. Say ya juma na me kro mu fo nya juma ye. People they suffer in Nigeria. So I tell Nigerian people where they do business, make it them my business go back to Nigeria, make it them employ work there for their own people to get work and do. I think say Nigeria say you man anyone a crime or not do so. I don't know. I don't know. Say if you work not there Nigeria where the crime they go on. I don't know. So today my video, it be advice where I they give it to Nigerians. That every country they mention bad name for Nigerians. So what have you people have to do? You need to change. This is the time you need to stop making crimes. Oh, it be too much. So if somebody hate Nigeria, me, I don't hate Nigeria, but I hate their character. I've already made some comparisons. Say the World Cup where we they play now. When Nigeria people win the World Cup, when you say, oh, now they lose. But let's say, oh, Nigerians, they have win. They have qualified. They go to the World Cup. They bring the World Cup to Nigeria. It not be only Nigeria where they go take the glory. They go say, Africa. So, Africa, we are Africans. The same time, the same thing where they do bad things, they go say Africans like bad things. But it be only Nigeria where you go see crime. Oh, all Africans, you go see crime. I'm not saying Ghanaian, we don't do bad. Cote d'Ivoire don't do bad. Burkina do, but it be too much for Nigerians. All crimes, they Nigeria too much. Oh, you see, me I dey talk to you. And then me kasa ni nyina ya brofu because me person Nigeria for the things I'm not making. Until make a broken English, you know. Until make a broken English, you know. They have to change. They have to change. But on the 17th, we are telling you, no Nigerian man we will come out and do the rest of this thing. Hey, look, what they pay me now? If you go to La Paz, me, I be taxi driver at La Paz, Amachi Dede. I be taxi driver for Koforidia, Eastern region. I be taxi driver for Ashanti region. You see, the place where they mention, the Ashawe joint where you go. It be Nigerians where you go see them, they play Ashawe. And most of them are Igbos. And why? Why? You see, the crime video that I have here, I don't want to show to disgrace Nigeria. Every day they send me crime videos. I pity for Nigeria. I wonder. Nigeria, stop making more. Now, this is the time you need to sit down. You have a big land. Chukudi, your country, your people, you have a big land. This is the time. Nigeria, you need to sit down. You and your government. Ask yourself, what are we going to do for Nigeria to rise up? The first thing you guys need to pray and ask for forgiveness from Almighty God. You see? Oh. Nigeria is such a big country. That a big development. I not say work not there Nigeria. You go see 13 years where they play Ashawo. A whole Nigerian lady will travel from Nigeria, say they go to Ghana. When you come, you know the way where you can do. It be Ashawo. Ashawo where you can do. You go see a very nice lady. You go see, when I was a taxi driver Ashanti region, I pick one Ashawo lady where they talk to me, say, I say it be nice, very fair color, Igbo lady, very beautiful, very nice. When I talk, I ask them, say, why they do this job? I say, no be easy. Our country no be easy. No job. Where are they ask them, say, so who brought you? Say, oh, she have a madam here. Where they make account for a madam. So where your that be the woman trafficking. Unim, omo mother. Mother never bought ne ho card in Nigeria naba. If your baby do your year money to your madam neka, even if it is 2 years where you go do the work to pay her madam, finish. Then he go do his own work. And you call this a work? Hey! In fact, a proper woman here, but Nigerians, they need prayer. And they need serious deliverance. Serious. I am say they are also a part of Africa. So me Malope personal, I don't hate Nigerians. I am telling you the truth. Me Malope personal. I don't hate Nigerians. How would I hate them? I hate them for what? And let me, before I'll end this case, might be sending me video be any picture be every Côte d'Ivoire, Abidjan. Now, also a be of your friend barrister. The D Matem show me video be. Now, Mrs. Santi or send a guy number, mammy. And I'm a friend guy no. Now, Mr. Massa. Yes, where the matter me the video no me nkohwe. Many a friend me Malope obi na send me number no. Every Côte d'Ivoire ni ade. So no so take to a friend barrister said there. Na o chire mu chira Mr. Massa. Me ya Ghana ni. And when maybe cause wo man mu enye, we need to talk about it. When was me video ma cassette ya Igbo man Chukudida. No, I will never insult Chukudi because he can be my father. He can be my father. And we are talking about it. What did they do where we say we don't like? That is what we are talking about. So why are you insulting me? Well, no. Also, it's not like that. Say, Nandra me ko video bia. Or say picture bia. Or name Mr. Chukudi a go picture. And I'm so really. Somebody may think say Malope they work for Ayarga. Me, I don't know Ayarga physical. I've talked to Ayarga. I've been talking to him on the phone, but I have never met Ayarga me and you like this. I've never seen him before. After the year Kwakoshia meeting, announced on the 17th for say 18th when I bet me Ayarga. Every day I've been talking to Hassan Ayarga, and Hassan Ayarga can never give me one. Sometimes I make me data Hassan. Hassan Ayarga can never. Listen to me. Let me address this issue before I leave. Kwame Nkrumah. On say, if you ask me, Nyankopon do Ghana to the sense, Bibia munu Ghana yi oni okandifuo bi na wababeboa. Kwame Nkrumah, I say, if not Kwame Nkrumah, anka when ebeji independent ama Ghana. If it is not Kwame Nkrumah, anka when ebeji independent ama Ghana. Ente uradi yusu Kwame Nkrumah and the DG independent emo my Ghana. And now, Nigerians wanted to take our country, and God is using Hassan Ayarga to save Ghana. Ajumana nyani nyina na Mahama betumiaye. Mahama yani die. Although Hassan Ayarga is not in a government, but he's doing his part. He's doing his part. I am also doing my part. You are also doing your part to support motherland Ghana. And I am telling you, anyone who will go to Mr. Chukudi and take money, I am not saying somebody has go there to take money. I am not saying that, but I said any Ghanaian blogger who will go there and take money and be like Judas, Mama Mia, Lee Baba, that person will never see light. God will punish that person. Don't take money to defend something. I know that Judas okoye na odi Yesu maye no. Judas di kan wa samando. Adie biara onipa oye bia obedi kama sika di wanim no. Akwati se wo ba odo sika no ndo bema awade ni nyina. Onipa biara odi sika di nanim sika nti no ye biribi no onye no kwafo. I said any person who follow money and do something is not a truthful person. Munka ni ye wo brofum. Onipa biara biribi a oye no sika nti na wo ye no onye no kwafo na sa nipa no so oye bonsam. I'm repeating it again. Me say onipa biara wo ye bibi na ade na wo ye na ye sika nti na wo ye no oye devil. Oye devil. You understand? Ade biara oye bia hu se wo yam awurade. Wo yam ma fa wo krabo afọ Kristo e de ne krabo afọ ade ma wo ma no nti na Yesu braibu ye Peter sorry Satan braibu Yesu. According to Luke 4 and Matthew 4, or bribe Jesus. Jesus didn't take any bribe for Satan. Satan told Jesus, the word and everything has been given to me if you bow me. Satan wanted to bribe Jesus. Jesus didn't take bribe because of my soul, because of my peace. Jesus never take a bribe. So if you are listening to me and you are a Ghanaian blogger, never take bribe from somebody and Nyame nshira baby a wo bia akwantu obi da me yese me kotogu afena ebere ne yaso nyame nshira no nyo kese ha e Ghana and meto bloggers nefo say when you come on air I am advising the bloggers. It's not about insult, but tells your mind. Yes, this is our country. We need to defend our country. And this is the time when Asante trouble and crying. Hey, we should stop that. Ya when we come, actually we come, we come. Ya the better no na. Igbo fuyo se Nigeria fuyo ba be fire asase. Yan kontia hoho na wo mo pese. Wo mo de no amabone eba kuromu ha. Wo de basabasa e na kai Nigeria fuyo bi no na ka basabasa e si oman mu. Na so ensi da. In the name of Jesus. Madam Ase, Yamin Kamo, Bomodia share link and subscribe YouTube channel na ubia and sanya den and kebi. Muama promises a mubabwan may call radio so and some more be why, Mr. Moa. Because YouTube and Ghana for YouTube. I brought you from the end of TikTok, Meso TikTok, me for you. I feel na my because machine I made I have made your phone and yes, so power to the extent that I bet you know. Na TikTok ra nipa hin na TikTok but encouraging kurase no kurana yam you want me use yam kurado so chen won so 100 point you know I wanted to go to the radio station so that encourage for be so better come at say Nigeria for ni be it allows e bi dwane question kurase we need to broadcast enti momwa na mentimi nkoto airtime our radio station na yenni enkomo no enti madam ase meding de malope ha ana brebe ma mekwan na mede dwumadi na si nyame adom adasene nso mesa anyway hia makrao baba